organic learning.
Hey guys, today we are opening up this really cool Hot Wheels 9-pack. Wow, look at that. And it features this totally awesome exclusive decoration. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. So first up, we are going to look at the exclusive decoration car. You can see it's white with black, red, and yellow stripes. Let's see, it says 240Z, and it says Datsun. This is a Datsun 240Z, and it's a two-door sports car. This car is from the 1970s. It was super popular as a budget-friendly sports car. It went from 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. It had a top speed of 120 miles per hour, which is crazy fast. Wow. And look, you can see inside the red interior. I wonder if the original had a red leather interior, because that would be very cool. All right, that's the exclusive decoration car. Thanks, Hot Wheels. Okay, next up, we have this itty bitty car. This is the Rocketbox. It's purple, has yellow decorations. It says epic on the side in a cool tagging design. Wow, this almost looks like a monster truck, but it's not. Oh, it's a hatchback. Oh, so this is a Hot Wheels fantasy car, and it comes from the Art Car series, which makes a lot of sense because there's art on it. And this is actually one of the smallest Hot Wheel models. Fun fact alert. Okay. Next up, we have this bad boy. This is the Gazella R. You can see it's blue. Whoa, look at that. This is so futuristic looking. It's a nice blue color with orange and silver details. Kind of looks like a Denver Broncos car. Has a spoiler in the back. And wow, look at that. Can you imagine having a sunroof that takes up the entire top of a car? That's kind of bananas, right? So this, like I said, this is the Gazella R. It's another fantasy car, part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. Ha 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 ha. The R in the Gazella R stands for racing. So I bet this puppy goes pretty fast. Maybe because it's not a real car, we can assume it goes up to 300 miles an hour? I don't know, we can dream. Okay. Now, next up. Ooh, this looks like a classic. Look at how beautiful this blue is. It's almost like a royal blue. I really like that. So this is a 1970s Dodge Challenger, and it was considered the best muscle car around back in the day. So, wow, look at that, some black details over there. So the Challenger has Dodge's 426 Hemi engine and a shaker hood, which gives it over 425 horsepower. That's crazy. That means it's a really powerful engine, guys. I mean, I don't know if you know, but that means it's very powerful. Cool. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these in real life. I bet some of you have. I bet there are people out there that restore these puppies and they look very cool. Okay. Moving on. Ooh, this looks like a sensible car. It's lime green. It says Ford on the side. An RS. It's a 4-door sedan hatchback with Orange and yellow stripes. Oh, and look, that must be all of the sponsors on it. Is this a racing car? No. Well, this is a Ford Focus RS. It is part of the Hot Wheels Night Burners series, and the RS stands for Rally Sport. So it is a sports car. And it means it has a more powerful engine and better brakes. Ooh. So fancy. I bet this would be a great car for a Fast and the Furious franchise. See somebody Tokyo drifting in this. What? Very cool. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. Look at this. This might be the most iconic car in the bunch. Do you know what movie this is from? It's from a movie in the 80s with a character named Marty McFly and Doc. And it's a DeLorean. What? So the doors actually open up like this, which is very similar to some modern day Teslas. Let's see, this is a 1981 DeLorean DMC12. Yeah, Back to the Future made these guys very, very popular. Fun fact, these are actually Italian designed and British engineered. That is something I did not know at first. And the body is actually made of stainless steel. Well, not this body. This is a toy. But in real life, it's a stainless steel body. And, which probably means it's like pretty safe. But also maybe really heavy? I don't know. But, if you go to like some type of convention or car show, I bet you'll see one of these and you can sit inside. But this one doesn't have a flux capacitor, which means we can't time travel with it. Bummer. Okay. Next up is this orange dude. Wow, look at that. There's no way this is a real car. It's bright orange. It looks like it's from the future. It looks like if a bug in the future was turned into a car. Okay, this must be this is the front? Yes. Okay, so it's bright orange, and you can see it has like those giant blue bug-eye tinted windows. There's 77 on the side. It has blue and black designs. This guy looks really cool. So this is an Iridium, which is a Hot Wheels fantasy car from 2005. I would love to see this car in real life. It kind of looks like the Batmobile from the Christopher Nolan movies. Okay, all right. Now, next up. Whoa, the coolest police car I've ever seen, question mark? Wow. This is a very fancy police car. Wow. I can only imagine how fast this guy goes. But this is a Lamborghini Countach police car. So, it's part of the Hot Wheels Rescue series. The Lamborghini is a mid-engined V12 sports car and has a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. What? I bet that comes in super handy when chasing down bad guys. I mean, you could not escape this police car. I think that would be generally impossible. But also, how cool would it be to drive this? Wow, I wonder if this police car actually exists anywhere. Like in a country, if a certain country has Lamborghini police cars. Or not. Curious to know. Okay. Last but not least, this Plymouth Barracuda. Wow. Look Look at that guy. It's red with white stripes and blue designs. You can see clearly into the chrome interior. Can you imagine if the interior was really chrome? You would just be sliding around the whole time. Probably not too comfortable. What does that say? It says Urban Outlaw. So, as I said, this is the Plymouth Barracuda or King Cuda, which is a funny nickname. But this is from the Urban Outlaw version or series, meaning it was designed by British fashion designer and car collector Magnus Walker. He must have done a whole series of these. So there's no hood, so it has an exposed chrome engine, and I would say this is probably also a muscle car, much in the vein of the Dodge Challenger. And yeah, I bet this is also a car you would see on Fast and the Furious. See some guys spinning out on this. Woo! Very cool. Okay, it's time to go. We hope you had fun opening up this epic Hot Wheels 9-pack. Bye-bye. See you next time.
If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.